Hi, Neri here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today gusto kong pag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa earnings na $2,047.50 monthly sa Livegood without buying the products and without enrolling or recruiting people. Nakalagay yan sa pinakataas ng compensation plan for a reason. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay into network marketing or direct selling. Okay? May mga gusto lang gumamit ng products, may mga gustong mag-subscribe lang para kumita. Kahit nga ako allergic ako sa networking, but why do I do these informative videos? That is another story to tell, okay? Let's focus on the $2,047.50 monthly para malinis, i-round off na lang natin siya into $2,048. Let's read it directly from the website. So it says here, affiliate compensation plan. At Live Good, your health and wellness will always be our number one focus. So, number one focus talaga is for health and wellness. That's why we eliminate the middleman to make the highest quality products on the planet available to our customers and members for a fraction of the price of the competition. And on top of the huge savings you get when you purchase any of our life-changing products, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. And if you decide to share our amazing products and compensation plan with others, you can earn even more. So it's very clear that you don't need to sell or enroll people in order to earn. Let's just say that the dollar exchange rate in peso is 56 pesos. $1 is equals to 56 pesos. $2,048 is equal to 114,292 pesos monthly. You have the potential to earn up to that amount monthly if you become a member. So what does it mean? Doon sa hindi pa nakakaalam, LiveGood is a subscription membership company. Para lang yung siyang Costco sa US or kung dito sa atin, SNR. It's a membership club. Merong subscription membership to avail of the benefits it offers to its members. So ayun, may subscription fee naman pala. And magkano ito? It's only $40 one-time affiliate membership fee. That is lifetime and $9.95 monthly. Or you may pay the annual of 99.95 with 2 months discount na siya for the monthly. So mas makakamura ka kung ang kukunin mong subscription is annual. That would be equivalent to 99.95 for the whole year or 5,578 in pesos, more or less, parang ganun. Bakit naman ako magsusubscribe dyan? Yun ang tanong mo. Tanong ko naman sa'yo, subscriber ka na ba ng Netflix? Okay, halos magkapareho lang kasi ang monthly nila. LiveGood is 9.95 or 556 monthly. So, ang Netflix naman, depende doon sa subscription plan na kinuha mo. Merong mobile, so mas lesser siya. Hindi lang ako sure kung magkano. And merong HD, mga 400 plus, and meron yung high quality nasa 500 plus. So, parang parehas lang din siya ng Livegood. Ganun tumatakbo yung pricing niya. Kumikita ka ba sa Netflix? Wala, di ba? Services lang ang makukuha mo. Ilang taong ka ng subscriber? So, magkano na ang nagagasto mo dyan? Wala ka namang kita, di ba? If hindi ka subscriber ng Netflix, ang tanong ko naman sa'yo is, are you an employee? Nagtatrabaho ka ba? Nagbabayad ka ba ng SSS mo or ng pag-ibig? Magkano ang monthly sa SSS? Sabihin na lang natin na for employees ranging from 180 to 900 pesos depending on your salary or dun sa contribution. Okay? Babayaran mo yon for 20 plus years or hanggang sa mag-retire ka bago mo ma-avail yung benefits. Meron ka namang makukuhang mga benefits doon, halimbawang maternity, mga ganyan. Pero ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is after you retire or yung pension, magkano ang pension, okay? Magkano ang monthly pension na makukuha mo dito after retiring from your job? Mga minimum is 1,200 up to maximum 20,000. That is depending kung magkano yung naihulog mo and gaano katagal ka na naghulog ng iyong contributions. Kung tutuusin, maliit pa rin yan, yung 20, yung maximum na 20,000. Hindi sasapat sa pangangailangan ng isang retired person. Kasi di ba, pag retired ka na, ibig sabihin, may edad ka na. And pag nagkakaedad na tayo, minsan marami na tayong kailangang medications in order to maintain our health. meron diyan gumagasto ng maintenance nila, mababa na yung 5,000 monthly. Kulang kung halimbawa ang iyong pension sa SSS is nasa minimum ka na 1,200 o sabihin na nating nasa 20K, hindi pa rin sasapat pag retired ka na in for example is marami kang pangangailangan at meron ka pang mga kasama sa pamilya mo na tinutulungan mo. Hindi siya sapat. We are just talking here about the realities of life. Balik tayo sa Live Good. Ang i-maintain mo lang dito to qualify for the earnings is your monthly subscription na 9.95 or that is only 556 pesos more or less ha. Pag na-reach na yung number of people sa matrix mo na equivalent to $2,048, that is already 114,292 in pesos. Kahit hindi ka bumili o magbenta o mag-recruit ng tao sa Live Good, basta i-maintain mo lang yung subscription mo, kikitain mo yung amount na yan buwan-buwan. Pero hindi yan mabilis kasi kailangan malagyan muna ng tao under sa matrix mo. Yun yung tinatawag na spillover. Kung gagaling yan doon sa upline mo or doon mismo sa mga kasamahan mo sa matrix na striving to enroll people. Ang spillover ay ang mga tao na katulad mo na subscriber na inilalagay ng system sa ilalim mo. Depende ito sa bilis ng pasok ng tao sa matrix mo. Sabihin na lang natin na abutin siya ng 5 years bago mapuno. Within 5 years, saka ka lang mag-earn ng 114,292 pesos monthly. Kasi pag na-receive mo na, naumpisahan mo nang na-receive yan monthly, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Hindi na yan titigil. As long as you are maintaining your monthly subscription. Club membership nga kasi ang tawag dito. As long as you are a club member, you are subject to the benefits given by the company. So, gumawa tayo ng konting computation. Nagbabayad ka sa SSS and pag-ibig mo in how many years, di ba? Napakaraming taon yan. And then, ang pension mo after retiring is ang liit lang. But dito sa Live Good, if you will just pay your monthly subscription, halimbawang sabihin na lang natin na inabot siya ng 5 years, ang total na magagasto mo dyan in pesos is 37,557.75. Kinumpute na natin yung subscription mo na 9.95 times natin ang 12. Hindi ko na nga dinidak dyan yung 2 months na if in case na nagbayad ka ng subscription annually. Okay? So, 37,557.75 pesos ang ibinayad mo for the whole 5 years. Magkano yung makukuha mo sa Live Good if in case na napuno na yung matrix mo within 5 years? 114,292 pesos. Ibawas mo yung 37,557.75, meron ka pang kita na 76,734.25. Tumubo ka, naibalik yung puhunan mo, ang laki pa ng tubo mo. So, next month, ganun uli ang matatanggap mo, 114,292. Kasi, pag naumpisa na nga yan, ang sinasabi ko is tuloy-tuloy na siya. Ito pa ang malupit dito, hindi mo naman din kailangan bayaran yung buong buwan ng mga taon na yan kasi pag nakaipon ka na ng at least 40 katao under you, covered na yung monthly subscription mo na 9.95. So, halimbawang ito yung matrix, pag namuno na tong mga levels na to, ang bawat tao dyan is makaka-receive ka ng $0.25. Pag halimbawang nasa 40 katao na, ang total niyan is $10. Hindi mo na kailangang magbayad monthly. Yun na lang ang ipangbabayad mo. Yung credits na makukuha mo, yun ang ipangbabayad mo sa monthly subscription mo. Wala ka nang inilabas na pera, kumita ka pa. 'Di ba? The compensation plan is really very amazing kung titingnan mo lang. And umpisa pa lang ito kasi designed lang ito para doon sa mga gusto lang maka-avail ng up to 75 discount sa product purchases and yung gusto lang talagang mag-subscribe. Ayaw nilang mag-recruit ng tao. It's either mahiyain sila or gusto lang talaga nilang parang investment. Depende kasi sa klase ng tao. Hindi natin mapipilit kung ano yung gusto nila. Pero pag gusto mong kumita ng mas malaki dyan para matupad ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay, you will do the business by enrolling people. This is where the leaders are born. Yung mga leaders na ito ang magpupuno sa matrix mo or sa matrix ko. Okay, yung mga leaders na masisipag. Yung mga tao na masisipag mag-share about Live Good, yung mga tao na masisipag mag-enroll ng tao. May differentiation ang members ng Live Good. Leader subscribers and ordinary subscribers. Hindi dahil member ka ay leader ka na. Ang leader ay someone who goes above and beyond to help people understand what Live Good is offering, and ang ordinary members are those people who are just subscribers and users of the product. Hoping na malinaw yung aking explanation, and kung nalinawan ka, it would be a waste if you would not join. It would be a waste kasi the opportunity is there. Napakaganda ng benefits na ino-offer niya. First and foremost is yung products. Mura siya. As in, masasabi ko talaga na the products are really very effective. Kasi nung sinubukan namin, iba talaga yung feeling eh. Alive ka, mararamdaman mo na it's working on you. Hindi ka laging pagod. You have the energy to do the things that you want to do. Active yung iyong mind. Iba talaga yung nakaka-take ng supplements ng Live Good. Kung meron ka pang mga questions, you can send me a message. Provided na sa description yung aking Facebook profile, you can send me a message there. Link to join also my team is provided in the description. It's madali lang naman mag-pre-register. Pre-registration sa Live Good is free. Mag-pre-register ka para mapag-aralan mo yung back-end ng website. Doon mo makikita yung compensation plan and everything, okay? Watch muna yung 5-minute video tour para ma-refresh yung mind mo kung ano ba talaga yung Live Good. Kung napanood mo na yung video, and kung hindi mo pa naman napapanood yung video, try to watch it with an open mind. Tanggalin mo muna yung mga duda mo dyan sa kalooban mo. Kasi Live Good has already reached 1 million subscribers within 13 months. Okay? Napakabilis ng growth niya. It's history in the making. Siya yung network marketing na napakabilis ng growth compared to other network marketing companies that we already have now. Kung ganyang kabilis yung growth ng company, it's very wise to position yourself na ngayon before pa siya umabot ng 5 million. Or kahit before pa siya umabot ng 2 million, place yourself already. I know that this year talagang magbo-boom ito. If you have more questions, you may also leave it in the comment below. Don't forget also to subscribe. I will do my best to make more videos this year in order for you to learn more about Live Good. And you may also click the like and the notification bell para pag meron akong mga bagong uploads, you will be notified about that. Hoping you have learned something today. I love you all. See you again next time. Bye!